many people have big difficulty in being compassionate toward their enemy.
Yes.
And you today are facing a difficulty because you are being criticized, and yet you must turn and be compassionate with those who are criticizing you. How can you, what is the way, if compassion is required for happiness, that we can be compassionate with those who hurt us, who make us feel bad, who make us feel criticized and small?
This morning, we already touched the compassion. Basically, any social animal, and particularly animal whose survival at the beginning of our life, you see, our survival entirely depend on others' care. Because of that reality, who created that? No answer. Of course, God created that way, if you believe God. Then more, I don't know, ordinary people then don't care who creates these things. But now important is the reality, our survival. Now, for example, we human beings, our survival at the beginning of our life entirely depend on the care of other people, particularly our mother. So therefore, that's the physical, biological sort of reality. So since this physical need tremendous care from other, therefore, in the emotional level, in the mental level, there is one particular element, I don't know, factor, which brings together to bond. So now that is affection. Mother side, tremendous affection towards child, even animals. So mother side is willing to sacrifice their own life for the sake of the offspring. So the offspring side also is a tremendous sort of belief, faith. Just after born, the offspring or the young one, no idea who is that. But emotionally, it's totally relying. Then mother take care in the what we call lab. And particularly what we call this is a small what is that?
Nipple.
Nipple. When you see that,
I didn't expect to say that word here.
Some are bigger, some are smaller.
Reach, you see, the offspring's mouth. Tremendous sort of feeling of safe, peace, isn't it?
Yes.
Although no idea who is that person.
They figure it out pretty quick.
Yeah.
But by nature, nature, you see, that is the way of our life. So that kind of affection, mainly biological product. You do this morning session?
Yes.
Are you here or not?
Oh, not the session. No, No, I wasn't here for the session.
No.
I interviewed.
So I mentioned, of course, if some people I think, who attended this morning, then you may feel boring because of repetition.
Repeat for those of us who weren't listening.
In order to sake of two person, new person, I don't want to boring the rest of the people. So in any way, I think essence now, essence is compassion or affection. There are two levels. One, mainly biological factor. That is, although seed of compassion, but limited. Because simply, you see, that come by nature to close feeling towards the basis which our life depend. And then similarly, when we face threat, anger. So more or less it's the same.
Same pattern now.
It's the same pattern. Now we have this marvelous human intelligence. We have the immense sort of capacity to utilize knowledge, long-term consequences, benefit, and short-term. Biological reaction is short-term. Now, with help of intelligence, now long-term, long-term consequences. So therefore, on the basis of the biological factor, the closeness feeling, sense of caring, now fuller knowledge, the real value for long-term interest. Then, with intellectual sort of realization, a fuller knowledge, really bring our perception, our concept. That concept transform or bring conviction. Through that way, we can change our attitude. Now here, compassion through training, compassion, that biased compassion, limited compassion, can be unbiased, infinite compassion. Now, biased compassion, biological factor mainly, that cannot go up to your enemy. But now, with help of intelligence, fuller knowledge, with help of that kind of knowledge or wisdom or intelligence, now we can extend our compassion towards our enemy. Now here, the enemy means mainly related with action, not being itself. So I think the definition of enemy mainly depend on their action, not being itself. Compassion mainly aiming being, not action. Two separate things.
I see.
So you consider someone who harming on you as enemy, recognize as enemy. So according to circumstances, in order to stop their harmful action, you can take appropriate counter action in order to stop that, in order to protect yourself. Meantime, as a being, now different, not on action, but on being, still sentient being. If the troublemaker is a human being, still a human being, just like myself. And also, broadly speaking, part of the 6 billion human being. A member of human family. So recognize that, and individual human beings' future very much related with 6 billion human beings, big family, isn't it? So therefore, now for example, if you have an enemy and keep your compassion, then there is much chance one day that enemy become your best friend.